Hello, it's Carolyn here with another Swiss travel tip. Today we're going to be talking about using buses in Switzerland. The yellow post buses, which you will soon become familiar with, you'll see plenty of them around. They are part of the Swiss public transport network. So if you're travelling to a more remote location, chances are you'll need to take a bus to get there. Now, if you have a Swiss travel pass or one of the other regional passes that includes all public transport, then when you're getting on board the bus, you don't actually need to show your pass to the driver in most instances. So I'll just give you a bit of an example. Here we can see a double-decker bus. Now, there's not many of these in Switzerland. Most of them are just the single level. But on this bus, you'll notice that there are doors at the rear and in the middle, as well as at the front. So if you are boarding a bus and all of the doors open, you can enter any of the doors that you wish. The only time you would need to enter definitely through the front is if you need to purchase a ticket from the driver. But if you have a Swiss travel pass or one of the regional passes that cover public transport, you just can hop on as long as you have your pass with you. Tickets not normally checked, but there can be random checks at any time, and there are fines if you don't have a valid ticket. So just make sure you have that pass with you, and you're right to go. Sometimes, and it's probably only 2 or 3% of the buses in Switzerland do require you to show your ticket to the driver, and in this case, only the front door will open when the bus pulls up at the bus stop. So people will be able to often exit from the other doors, but you will only be able to enter through the front door, and you'll need to show your pass to the driver in that instance, or purchase a ticket if you don't have a pass. So that sort of tells you how to go about hopping on board and paying or showing your ticket to the driver. Just wanted to give you a couple of other little tips as well. You will see on actually, let's go to the next slide. This is a timetable that's displayed at the bus stop, so there'll always be one of those showing, and it lists all the places that this bus is going to stop and the times that it will arrive at that particular bus stop. Now, when you're on board the bus, don't assume that it's going to stop at each of those stops that are indicated, because if there's no one waiting at that stop to board the bus won't stop unless you have indicated that you want to get off. So in order to do that, you can see there's some red buttons here that I've circled on these handrails. You need to press the red button, as you're approaching the bus stop, or immediately that you've left the previous stop. If you press the red button, that indicates to the driver that you want to get off at the next stop. So that's just another little tip on using the buses in Switzerland. As I said, you will see plenty of yellow post buses around. They offer a fantastic service to connect more rural places. Bus stops that leave from the major towns, wherever there's a railway station, there's a bus stop right nearby, so you don't have to go far to connect from a train to a bus. And they're a great service. There's plenty of room for luggage in most instances, and it's the way the Swiss travel, so you might as well travel that way too. I hope you found this Swiss travel tip helpful, and you join me next time for another Swiss travel tip. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss one of our new weekly Swiss travel tips. Until then, bye for now.